Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this really priced Range Rover Evoque. I can't believe I'm offering this car under £9,000. It's in absolutely fantastic condition. Got the side steps, privacy glass, park distance control, gloss black alloy wheels, and look at the condition. Absolutely lovely. All the extras as well. Electric tailgate, parcel shelf. The boot for a 12-year-old car is absolutely immaculate condition. The seats, although light, are in lovely condition. This car's been well looked after. Electric memory seats, electric windows. Just have a look at them seats there. Got the panoramic roof. Some 114,128 miles. This is the 2.2 diesel engine. It's the best one to have. We only really sell 2.2s because it's a really well known engine to be good. So you've got the paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, 3-stage heated seats, even got navigation which will come up in a minute. That'll be initialised, and you've got your off-road, switchable off-road gear, aux and USB, Meridian sound system, got a heated steering wheel, but whether it works I don't know. I'll have to try that first. And the satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity. So fully loaded car, and it is priced absolutely price rangey. If you have any further questions, please call us on 07503 751 005. Thank you.